Yes, Peter, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start with the question. Today we have to start money exchange worksheet. Today's date is 28th of April 2021. The day is Wednesday. Did you revise the money exchange topic? This is the exercise of 5E,
5E.
last exercise. Okay, so who wants to start the question? Question number 1, who will solve the question number 1? Please read the question. Anyone of you, I will help you. Don't worry. It's a simple exercise, same as we have done in the exercise questions. There is nothing changed. Who want to solve? Yes, boys.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Hassan, you can try.
Ma'am, we will do with it the ratio method.
Yes, the ratio method. Only ratio method you have to apply here, nothing else.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to raise in our register.
Yes, because this worksheet is don't have space, so you can solve on the resistors or any loose sheet. Then you can attach that loose sheet with the previous worksheets. Okay, Hassan, start the question, beta. Question number 1. Question number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Umar changed.
Ma'am, if $1 is 6.25, 1 ratio to 6.25, so X ratio
We have
800.
we have dollars. We have dollars ratio. This is the African currency, South African currency rands. So just what will be the $1 equal to
6.25.
6.25, and then
X
Umar changed
ratio 800.
800 currency of the South African. Yes, 800. So we have to
X
convert into
ratio
dollars.
800.
Yes, it will be X ratio 800.
So we will cross multiply.
Cross multiply. Very good. Then
Then it will come 6.25x is equals to 800.
6.25x is equal to 800. Then
Uh, X is equals to 800 divided by 6.25.
mm,
Then X is equals to 128.
x
Then
is equal
128 rands. Sorry, dollars.
to $128.
Dollars.
This is the currency that how many dollars did Umar receive? Read the second part. This is the one part of the worksheet. Go
3
for
months later, he changed his dollars back into rands when the rate was $1 is
3
equals to
months later. Yes,
6.45
3
rands.
months later. Now he changed the money back from the dollars to the South African country, that currency. That time, what was the rate of exchange? This time, the rate of exchange is first time the rate of exchange is 1.625. But the second time, the rate of exchange is changed. How much this time?
6.45.
Okay,
$1 is 6.45 rands.
1 second. Write it. Okay, now what's the answer? $1 is equal to
6.45.
6.45. Then what you want to change this time?
Uh, dollars to rands. So
Okay,
we
so
have 125 to $128 and
$128 into
rands
X.
are X.
X. Okay, so
So cross multiply and 6 point.
X is equal
X is equals to 825.6
to
rands.
128 multiplied by 6.45. So what
X
will
is
be the
equals to
answer?
825.6 rands.
825.60 or what's the answer?
6.
825.6 rands. Okay, then Is there anything else you want to find out in this question?
We have to find out how many extra did he get. So we will minus it with 800, which he had
Before he had
previously.
100 and now he had 825.
So we subtract it with 800 and we get 25.6.
Yes, we will subtract and we will get 825.6 minus 800. And what will be the answer for that?
25.6 rands.
25.6. Thank you so much. I think very good. Yes, boys, did you get the same answer? I'm going to minimize the screen so you can copy the question. This is the whole question, question number one. Quickly copy it. Yes, we're done with this question. Can we go to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will solve the second question?
Can it?
Hassan has done. Who want to solve the second question? Yes, boys.
Can I?
Who is there?
Ma'am,
Can I, Ahmad Alam?
Okay. Ahmad Alam solved the question yesterday too, I think so. Anyone else?
Zan.
Zan also solved. Is Rehan here? Rehan Kashif?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rehan, beta solve the question number two.
Okay, ma'am. Alejandro goes to Europe for a holiday. He changes 500 pesos into euros at any exchange rate of €1 is equal to 0.975 pesos. How much does he receive in euros? Give your answer correct to two decimal places.
Okay.
So
It's a simple
you,
question. Only
yes.
one thing is asking in the question. He asked only about one thing, that when the person Alejandro, he went to the Europe for holiday, so he changed 500 pesos into euros, and the currency rate is given. You just have to see that how much does he receives in euros. Okay. So what will be the heading for this?
So euro ratio pesos.
Yes, we can write the heading euros
Hmm.
ratio pesos.
Then €1 ratio 0.975.
0.975. Very good. How many pesos he has?
500.
500, and he changed into euros. That we have to see. Okay,
Yes,
then
0.975 x is equals to
975
500.
x is equal to 500. Then
Then 500 divided by 0.975.
0.975
Then the
and
answer is 512.80.
500 and 12 point.
82.
Because the question is give your answer correct to two decimal places.
Yes, ma'am.
Decimal places means after decimal we have to write two numbers. So what it will be? 512.82 euros. Very good, Rehan. Thank you, beta. Yes, boys, any problem in this question which Rehan solved? 8E, any problem in this question, beta?
No, ma'am.
Very good. Now copy this question, then we will solve next. Yes, who want to solve the third question? We have done with the question number 2. Move to question number 3.
Ma'am, can I do it?
Okay, Mubashir, you can.
April 2001, a bank gave the following exchange rate: €1 equals to 0.623 British pounds, and €1 equals to 1936 Italian lira.
Hmm.
Calculate how much £1 was worth in lira.
Okay, first of all, you have to calculate how much 1 pound was worth in lira. Okay, so what will be the heading of this one?
First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna convert British pounds. Okay, how much £1 was?
Italian lira.
Yes, so first we're going to convert the British pound into euros, and then we're going to uh, divide it by the Italian lira.
Okay, so what will be the first heading?
British
0 point, see, €1 is equal to 0.623 British pound, and €1 is same as is equal to 1936 Italian lira. It means this currency and this currency is equal to each other.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have to calculate how much 1 pound. We have to compare the pound and the Italian lira. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so how much it will be British pound? 0.623 is equal to 1936 Italian lira. Then calculate how much 1 pound. How much 1 pound? So we will write 1 pound and then Italian lira will be X. Do the cross multiplication and find out. Do you have calculator with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so calculate it.
Ma'am, it's 3,107.54.
0.54 lira. Now what is the B part?
B part, ma'am. Ma'am, when I do it, it's 1900.
Okay, someone else can do.
No, ma'am. The first question, the first part, when I
Hmm.
do it's 1900. Counts
No,
1900.
no, it will not be 1900. 1936 divided by 0.623.
B part, calculate how much the 1 million lira was worth in pounds.
Yes, so it is the same thing. The answer is same.
Yes, ma'am, will multiply this by it.
Yes, Abdul, the next question, Hassan Abid will solve. No, Hassan Abid also solved yesterday. Who didn't solve yesterday? Muhammad Kundi. Yes, Muhammad Kundi. Second part you have to solve, beta. B part after question 3. Muhammad Kundi, not answering. Who is next? Rehan solved. Then Daniel solved yesterday. Noor didn't solve. Noor, your mic is working today, beta. Yes, Noor Muhammad. No. Ahmad Nawaz. Ahmad Nawaz, your mic is working.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ahmad, solve the second part.
Calculate how much 1 million lire was worth in pounds.
Calculate how much 1 million lire was worth in pounds. Okay, so what will be the heading?
British pounds ratio Italian lira.
Okay, okay. British pounds into Italian lira. Then
We will 1 ratio 3107.54.
1 is equal to 3107.54. Then
Then we will write British pounds X
hmm,
ratio 1 million.
1 million. Okay, how many zeros will be there?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Find out the value of x.
Then we will X is equal to 1 million over
0, 7
3107.54.
is equal to 1 million. Then what will be the value of x?
X is equal to 321.80.
X is equal to 321.80 pounds.
Yes.
British pounds. Thank you so much. This is the answer for the last question. Then there is one last question, question number 4. Yes, Abdul Rafi, start with the question 4a. Quickly we can discuss because we have only 2 minutes left. Yes, Abdul Rafi. Question 4. Where is he? Abdul Rafi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Jamie goes on holiday to Florida. The exchange rate is £1 is equal to $1.7. He changes
Mm-hmm.
900 pounds into dollars. How
Mm-hmm.
many dollars should he get?
British pounds and then dollars. So, what is the rate of exchange?
One ratio 1.7.
1 ratio 1.70. Then, what should he want to exchange?
900 pounds ratio X.
900 pounds ratio X. So, find out the how many dollars should he get. So, we have to see how
900,
many dollars how he should get. 1.70 multiplied by 900. So what will be the answer?
1530. One
$1,530. Then what will be the second part? After his holiday, Jamie changes $160 back into pounds. Before he has 900 pound, and now he is going to change $160 back into pounds. So what will be the rate of exchange? Yes, again the same thing you have to do, but this time
British
the
pound
okay British pounds
dollars.
ratio dollars. Then what is the rate of exchange?
1 ratio 1.7.
70. He has what he has $160 and want to change
I'm
into pounds.
1.7.
Okay, 70x is equal to 160. So x will be equal to 160 divided by 70. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, it is 1.7.
1 point, sorry, 1.70. So what's the answer?
94.11.
94.11 British pounds. Very good. So in this way, we have done with the money exchange worksheet. This was the last topic you have to revise for your exam. And if you have
Ma'am,
any problem, you can ask. Yes, beta.
how can we do question number 3 A part again?
Question 3A part.
Again,
Mubashir solved which one?
ma'am, I solved the A part.
Okay, yes, Mubashir. So what's the problem in that?
Ma'am, when I do it, I get 1200 points, 1206.
Mubashir, read the question, beta. The question was that A part is only this that calculate how much 1 pound was worth in lira. How much 1 pound? So we find that how much will be the 1 pound is equal to, because the 0.623 British pounds is equal to 1936 lira. You can see here the currency. €1 is equal to this much British pound, and one in the same time €1 is equal to this much Italian lira. So what we have to do that we can compare these two, this currency, British pounds and Italian lira. Okay, and then when we do the cross multiplication, because we want to find out how much 1 pound was worth in 1 pound was worth in Italian lira. So this is the answer only after getting the cross multiplication. Which answer you are getting and how you are getting different? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, first I changed my pounds into euros and then euros into Italian lira.
No need to do that because they are the same. This, see, €1 is equal to this much, and €1 is equal to Italian currency. British currency and Italian currency, they are at the same time equal to €1. So we can compare them at the same time. Okay.
Yes.
So boys, tomorrow you have a test of chapter number 5. Inshallah, that will be the last lesson tomorrow. And if you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, I'm going to share this worksheet along with the answer sheet with you on the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am?
Yes, beta.